Whoops, there we go. All right, well, here we are. This is the start of my 2022 Sturgis motorcycle rally trip in Watertown, South Dakota. Just filled up my gas here. And this is my second gas stop. I started it from home at 4 a.m. It's about 6:40. Well, yeah, about 6:40 a.m. right now. So, in about 2 hours and 40 minutes about. So, yeah. So, okay, I'm going to think. I'm hoping if everything works out right, I'll have this video uploaded hopefully tomorrow. I'm trying to do some real-time uploads with the Sturgis rally this year. So hopefully it'll work out all right. So I think I'm going to make a second clip that will be used in my video after I get home, because I'm going to be doing what I normally do too. Editing the videos, including riding footage. I even have my GoPro. I got some beautiful riding footage of the sunrise on the way here. So hopefully that'll turn out all right, and but that'll be in the video, later this after I get home from the rally. Anyways, I'm going to be hopping on the bike a little bit here and heading to the Badlands. So talk to you later. Yummy. Yummy. 2 Whoppers. Oh, that was a good night to eat. Man, we got some wind here. But anyways, just ate here at Burger King in Pierre, and going to be heading out right now in a minute here. We hop on the bike, all ready to go, and I have the GoPro mounted so I can do some riding footage on the way there. Of course, that riding footage will be on a later video after I return from Sturgis, so I can edit that into my videos that I make, that I edit after I get back. So anyways, I'm gonna hop on the bike and heading towards the Badlands right now. A 5-gallon tank, and I made it from Pierre to the Badlands trading post. 114 miles. It's really windy, so that kind of affected my gas mileage, but I just made it, just barely. So I'm gonna head over into the Badlands now. So all right, see you later. And here we are, just pulled up right now. Oh man, so glad I'm here. But about 2 o'clock here at Badlands National Park, Cedar Pass Campground. And I'm going to take and set everything up now. Unload the bike and trailer and set up camp. Oh, and here I am, Badlands National Park. Oh, there it is. Okay, right, I'm going to take and set up camp now, so talk to you in a little bit. And there it is, my tent is set up. It's almost about 3 o'clock right now. There's the bike. I'm going to run over to over into Interior right now, to that little grocery store that's in town. I'm going to get some milk and ice, and I think that's it. Yeah, there's milk and ice. Got the cooler in the trailer there. Everything's all ready. So that's going to be the final. Once I get back to camp, I'm probably just going to stay here
and just relax for the rest of the day. But yeah, and this is how it looks right now here at Badlands National Park, Cedar Pass Campground. Okay, I'll talk to you later. And this is the grocery store I was telling you about, Badlands Grocery. All right. Well, finally got everything all set. Got ice in the cooler and the tent set up. Everything's all set now. So now I'm just going to relax the rest of the day. I was thinking about going around doing something, but it's been a really long day, a really hot day. And it was up so early. I left at 4 a.m. I was up earlier than that, of course. But anyways, this is going to wrap up today's video. And I already started editing, the real-time videos. And I actually have all the clips in it. So it's not like, I don't know what footage, how I'm going to do when I get back home. I have a lot of riding footage too. And the riding footage, all the riding footage will go on to my other YouTube channel, Riding and Driving. The all riding footage will be on that one, and then on Let's Go Traveling, on those videos, it'll just be clips of the rides, kind of interspersed with video clips, vlogging clips. But since I'm using all the video clips in this video, I don't know how I'm going to do it, but we'll have to see how it works out. But anyways, I'm going to wrap up this video because all I'm going to do is just sit here and relax at the campsite now in the shade. Got a little breeze right now, so that's nice. Nice and calm and quiet. Let's take a look around. That's my view at the moment. Okay, yeah, all right, so now I'm just going to take and finish this up and add this video clip to the video and get it produced so it's ready to upload. And then I'll have to make a thumbnail and get it all set. And I think I'm going to upload it to post it tomorrow morning. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to do it yet, but okay, once again, thanks for watching, and stay tuned and keep following this trip. This is only day one. So anyways, tomorrow's going to be a lot more active day. I'm going to have more things to do, I think. But we'll see. Anyways, once again, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video tomorrow.